Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a smoky eye makeup look for you guys using the Too Faced Salted Caramel palette. So I will go over this palette at the end of the video, but if you guys want to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So I have already created makeup looks using the Gingerbread Spice palette and the Hot Buttered Rum one. So this is the final palette that I got a chance to play with today, and I am super impressed, you guys, with the quality of these eyeshadows. I have swatches for you guys at the back of my hand. So this is a straight up orange tone palette. Definitely leans a lot more on the warmer spectrum. If you guys love cooler tones or neutral tones, this might not be it for you guys, but I am so impressed with the formulation of these eyeshadows because it swatches really nicely on the back of my arms, and it doesn't have kickback at all like the Gingerbread Spice one. A lot of the matte shades here have a lot of kickback, but not with this at all. This formulation reminds me a lot of the Hot Buttered Rum palette, which I absolutely love. The color range is a little bit different because of the fact that the Hot Buttered Rum have definitely more of the neutral brown shades that you can pretty much use it as a no-brainer palette for everyday makeup look. But with the Salted Caramel palette, you want to be a little bit more careful because some of the orange tones within this palette, especially this one, I thought it would be more muted when looking into the pan. So this shade here, it's called Soft and Chewy. It definitely swatches brighter on my hand. It definitely translates onto my eyelids as well. It's much more brighter and neon when swatched. So it looks muted in pan but brighter when swatched. I really love the shimmery shades within this palette. So off camera I used this color. This one is called the Golden Sugar shade, and it's right here. This is a very nice bronzy coppery shade, and I placed that on the center of my eyelids on top of the I used it on top of this shade, which is called Make Me Melt. Just a deep plummy color. So this is the Gingerbread Spice palette, and they look similar but much more deeper in tone. But I absolutely love that shade to really just help deepen up my eye look overall. And this one in particular has a lot of blue and gold specks in it. This is bright shade over here, but the sparkles didn't really translate onto my lids that well. It just sort of just disappear when you blend the shades. But overall, I am impressed with this palette. I love the shimmers in here. If I were to use this palette again, I would just choose one of the 3 shimmery shades and just use it as a one and done eyeshadow makeup look, and I'll be out the door. If I were to pick my favorites out of these 3 palettes, I would still pick Hot Butter Rum palette hands down, because I absolutely love the shades within this palette. It's just calling my name because of these neutral browns that I really adore for sort of everyday look. Originally I thought that I would like this better than the Spice Caramel palette, but somehow it switched, and I love the formulation of this palette better than this one. So anyways, it all comes down to your personal preference. I hope that this video was somewhat helpful for you guys. If you have missed out on these 2 palettes, I wouldn't worry too much about it, because I think they are okay. I like them, but I don't love them. But I don't regret purchasing them, because I love to play with new colors and formulas. They are still considered neutral palettes to me, so I am not mad about it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you want to check out my review on these 2 palettes, I will leave the links down to those below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.